Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can install Sublime Text on Windows 10 and 11. In order to install Sublime Text on Windows 11 or 10, the procedure will remain the same. All you need to do is just follow the instructions as guided. So first of all, open up a web browser and another web address bar, type in sublimetext.com. This is going to direct you to the official web page. Right on top, you can see there's this particular icon that is download for Windows. Click on the option. After that, it's gonna take you this kind of interface downloading, so it's gonna take a while. You'll need to wait for it to download the file. Once the file is completely downloaded, now open up the File Explorer and access downloaded folders. Here you need to right click on your mouse, click on the open button. If you go ahead and open up a Windows tab and search for Sublime Text, you'll be able to find it right over here. So in this way, you can install Sublime Text on your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.